This video is also going to be fashion centric. You're going to see different patterns of kurta, be it a asymmetric or be it a hand block print or be it a geometric print as well as the striped prints. Everything is covered in this video among the 8 pieces. We are nearing to the festive season, and as you guys have asked me for the budget option when it comes to the kurtas, I got you guys covered in this video from kurtas ranging from 200 rupees till 800 rupees. All the kurtas which you can see in this video are priced below 800 rupees. I got few of the pieces from Flipkart, few of the pieces from Myntra and few of the pieces from Ajio as well. The most important tip which you have to consider while buying kurtas, they need to fit you well. And also, I did not include any traditional wear kind of a kurta in this one because most of you guys must be having. Moving on to the piece number 1. I will start with one of my favorite, both in terms of the price as well as the quality you get for what you pay. It is from a brand called Netplay and it is the ethnic collection from the Netplay. Netplay, if you don't know by this time, it is a brand of Reliance Trends. You can find this outside as well. This I got it from Ajio. Coming to the fit of it, it is a straight cut kurta. So you have to size it down. Generally my size would be medium. I have gone with small size and it fit perfect to me. Overall, when it comes to the length as well, it is just below my knee and the length I feel that it is appropriate. But overall, if there is a minor disqualifier, if I have to say for this kurta, would be the sleeves, because the sleeves are also, the fit would be straight. For 200 rupees, it's a great bargain, guys. Yes, the quality may not be super high, but the quality is optimum whatever I can feel. Coming to the materials for this one, it is a cotton kurta to begin with, but the cotton here they have used with may not be a complete 100% cotton because it is having that smooth polyester kind of a feel, and also it's a little see-through, not much, but it is a little see-through that you have to consider. I can overlook the disqualifiers considering the 190 rupees price point I got for this kurta. Moving on to the piece number 2. It is a hand block print kurta from Ajio's own brand, which is Indie. I got this in a size of small. To start with, it is priced at 1800 rupees, but however during the Ajio sale, because generally only Ajio have sales almost all the time, but when it comes to their own brand, be it Ajio brand or be it Indie picks, they tend to offer discounts like crazy, and I got this somewhere around 400 to 500. Also, please do note that the prices may vary, but you can get this easily less than 800 rupees. That's the reason I kept a barrier as 800, because during the sale times I may get for one price and immediately there would be another offer. You may get it for less or you may get it for more based on when you buy and what sale you buy. Coming back to this, it is a cotton kurta. It is also a straight fit kurta, and whatever the disqualifier I mentioned for the sleeves stays the same for this one as well. But it is a handcrafted kurta. This is the Rajasthani style. Whenever there is a hand block kurta, you remember one point, guys. Hand block kurta or handcrafted kurtas, they are made with natural dyes. So you have to be really careful of the probability of losing or fading the color when it comes to the hand block kurtas if you don't take care of it properly. For these kurtas, always see the care instructions or washing instructions which is there in the description before buying it, because this need to be hand washed with cold water. Apart from that, I really like this print of this kurta. This gives the vibe of the traditional kurta but still keeping you on the casual side of the things. That's why I like this one. Overall, the length as well as the fit stays the same, which I mentioned for the kurta number 1. This one, I got it in a size of medium, which equals to size 40. Moving on to the piece number 3. It is also a hand block kurta. I got this from Myntra in a size of small. Here the prints are a little different when compared to the prints from the previous kurta. However, when it comes to the sleeve, what I like the most, you can just roll up the sleeves and you have the button so that you can roll up till here and the sleeves can be buttoned in order to give that tapered look for this one. It is a brand called Tavi. I liked immediately the print of the kurta, and it is a Rajasthani handcrafted kurta. As these are made with the natural dyes, always there is a chance of losing or fading out the color if you don't take care of them properly. To start with, it is priced at 2099 and I got it for a price point of 700-ish, 700 to 800, somewhere in between. It fits well, so you have to size it down. Overall length is also perfect. It is not too low for me. It is below the knees, but yes, Still, overall length for me, it is perfect. And also the attention to detail. It starts with the burgundy inside, and the burgundy has been carried over to the collar as well. And overall, when it comes to the collar, it's a mandarin collar. And the prints are so subtle, but still keeping you on the casual side of the things. Moving on to the piece number 4. It is a black geometric pattern kurta from a brand called Indie Pix. As I said, it's the Agio's own brand, and it is priced at 1300. To start with, it's a fair price. On top of that, I got that 75% discount. Considering the geometric prints, it's a great price to get this one. Why I like this one? Because it's a black color and having a geometric prints. But there is a disqualifier for me. It's not associated to the product. It's because of the size unavailability. When I was ordering, I couldn't find small size because it was out of stock. So I have to order medium size, and medium size actually it's too loose for me, both in terms of the overall fit as well as the length as well. So I'm going to return this one. So make sure that you guys size down, or else the fit would be little loose for this one. Whereas when it comes to the collar, it is having the same mandarin collar with the 3-button layout and also a pocket, which I don't see of any use. Moving on to the piece number 5. It is a kurta set with kurta as well as the patiala from a brand called Dian in a size of medium. Yes, I got true to size because it's a slim fit kurta, even though it's not mentioned exactly that way. It is a slim fit kurta with the same mandarin collar. However, all the previous kurtas in this video were made of cotton, but this is a dupion silk. So you need to dry iron this one. That you have to consider. Even though you are getting this at a price point of below 800 rupees, you have to consider that every time you have to do the dry iron, you have to spend somewhere around 100 rupees. That you have to consider before buying these kind of kurtas. It is priced at 3000 rupees. I got for a crazy price point of 850 rupees. That includes the grey patiala as well. It fits impeccable, guys. And also the same goes with this patiala as well. Even though it's a little loose, that could be a minor disqualifier. And there are multiple color options when it comes to this brand. When it comes to the material dupion silk, there is a minor disqualifier you have to note with. The material is little harsh and rough on your skin. I don't know what would happen to the material after its first dry clean or wash, but right now you have to literally wear an undershirt in order to prevent that rough feel of the material on your body. It is a short kurta in this checkered pattern from a brand called Indian Garage. I got this in a size of small. It is priced at 2000 rupees. I got this for a price point of 400 to 500 rupees on discount. I bought this from Agio. What I like the most, one, it fits very well, guys, but you have to size it down. And two, being this blue color, it's so subtle. It's one of the color to have in your wardrobe when it comes to kurta, and it also have that minor pattern to it that makes this kurta stand out from the others, because it is having that checkered pattern, but it is also subtle without drawing too much attention to it. And the other thing which I like this in this kurta is the button layout. The button starts from here, it goes in this L pattern and then with the inverted L pattern. You can also unbutton these and you can wear a t-shirt inside and have altogether a different vibe if you don't want to dress it in the way of kurta. So it is going to be the versatile or a standout piece if you want to dress it that way. The look which you are going to get with this kurta, because it do not have a mandarin collar to it, it's just a round collar. It looks like a round neck shirt, but having the kurta aspect to it. Also, if you unbutton these and wear a t-shirt inside, overall you get a different vibe also. At the price point I got it for, and overall being the color as blue and having the minor checkered pattern to it, it would be a great buy. Moving on to the piece number 7. It is asymmetrical white kurta from a brand called C Designs. I got this in a size of small. It is priced at 2500 rupees. To start with, it is having the mandarin collar. It is one of my favorite kurta. That's the reason I got them in 2 colors. Not only the asymmetrical kurta, it is having the side slits to it, which adds to the overall casual vibe. These kind of kurtas you can style easily as a fusion ethnic. These are going to be versatile pieces, even though they don't look like, when compared to the other kurta patterns or categories, this is one of the category which I love the most. Trust me, literally wear them during other scenarios as well. That's why I love these asymmetric kurtas, and particularly the kurta with this kind of a side slits to it. Overall, I am in love with how it fits, but the white color here, the material is little bit see-through, It is priced at 2499, but overall I got it for a good price point of 700 rupees. For 700 rupees I feel it's worth. One, because it's a white color, even though it's not of super great quality, because literally I can feel that, but still it is having a composition of cotton to it, and if you know how to pair it, it will be a great choice. Moving on to the piece number 8, and it's one of my favorite color to start with. That's the reason I am wearing this kurta. The C Designs brown color asymmetrical kurta with the same knee slits, and it is also priced at 2499, and I got this at a price point of 650 rupees during the recent Myntra Epic Fashion Sale. Whatever I mentioned for the previous piece stays the same. It fits on the slimmer side, and also it do have this turn up hems for the sleeves so that you can easily roll it and you get the tapered feel. When you close these two buttons as well, it gives the traditional look but still being on the classy or modern edgy kind of things. These are the budget options available for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you did so, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell in order to get notified as soon as I post a video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.